So welcome to the shop. Today we're going to be working on getting some finish on our chisel holder. We're going to sand it, hit it a little bit with the block plane, which is something everybody should have in their fancy tool apron. Actually haven't used one of these before recently, but now I really like it. I also always have a set of Beats by Dre. Gotta have the Beats. Taking out my trusty block plane. It's adjustable here. It's also adjustable up here. It changes the size of our opening, controls our shavings. So we're using a softwood here. We'll tighten that up just a touch. There we go. We're going to plane up the edges here, plane up the front. Then we'll probably hit it with some sandpaper. We're going to throw a couple coats of poly here on our chisel holder. When you're getting a nice shaving like that, shows we're pretty flat on this surface. We'll start out with a little 120 grit on our DeWalt orbital sander. Before we sand, put on our dust mask. Don't really want to be breathing in the dust, especially from a power sander, even hand sanding. I like to use this. It's a pretty small, low profile. Makes it nice, but don't forget, when you're going to be doing sanding or working in the shop with lots of dust, always use the dust mask. once again, we're going to use our Helmsman Spar urethane. Give it a first coat here. And so I hope you enjoyed that. We got the chisel holder all sanded up, took care of some of the sharp edges, got a coat of poly on it, and once again want to give a shout out to my boys up in the hollow. All caps Rage, no spaces. I am in no way associated with any of the content on their channel, but check them out. They're pretty wild, and once again, boys, stay off the pipe. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, hit us up in the comments. Once again, this is Pinetta Show Services coming at you from the workshop.